So today we are going to discuss what is AI product management. It is end-to-end process. There's a two-way. One is traditional product management. Another one is the latest one is AI product management. AI is artificial intelligence and how the artificial products we can manage. And from this presentation, you will get the full insight from the beginning till end, all the life cycles, and you're able to understand but stay connected to find out the ways and the important points that helpful in the product management. So this presentation is going to be very helpful for the product managers who want to bring innovation idea into AI product management. So AI product management is a bringing innovation and impact in the age of intelligent systems. So why product management matters? This is one of the reason. So it is transforming industry into unprecedented space from healthcare diagnostic to autonomous vehicles. But powerful technology alone doesn't create values. So for powerful technology and innovation requires strategic visions. We need the cross-functional leadership team, deep understanding both technical and business needs. So the product management is combination of technical plus combination of business needs. So a product manager serves as the critical bridge between what technically possible and what commercially viable and measurable results and scalability. He work on all these things to provide an very innovative products. So there is some unique roles of a product manager. One is traditional PM skills and another one A specific expertise. So these are two different things. So need to understand this both from deep of your heart. What is strategic product vision? Strategic product vision is the traditional PM should know what is the strategy and how it's the vision, how we can impact and create value in the organization. Then stakeholder management, this is very important in both roles. Market research and user insights, roadmaps of planning from where we have to start and what we are innovating and what we are making, and collaborations. These are traditional PM skills. For the AI specific expertise, understanding of machine learning models, should know the data quality and bias assessments, model performance metrics, ethical AI considerations, iterative model improvements. So a product manager must fluently translate between data, scientists, engineers, business leaders, and technical complexity to solve them and make something real world constraints. So these are important for the product managers. A product life cycles contains different cycles from idealizations, then data collection, model development, testing and validations, development or deployment, sorry, and the monitoring and continuous improvements. So these are the product life cycle. So first of all, what is idealization? Finding the right eye opportunities. What are the right opportunities? How we will find it? Will machine learning provide meaningful, better result than rule-based system? What is the return on investment? These are the right questions. And feasibility, assess data availability and quality, and consult with the technical teams and make the models so viable, and also look for compute cost and latency requirements. These all are the alignments with the business values. Ensure the solution is clear and its objective and it's meet the stakeholder needs or the product owner needs. Data is very important in foundation of a success. Quality of data and quantity of data. So clean and well labeled data is very important. Invest in data is infrastructure and innovation process early, and bias detection, training of data, demographic, historically, these sampling of data, these are important things in bias detections. And privacy is very important. Navigate regulation like GDPR, CCPA, implement data anonymizations, consent management, secure storage practices. So model is good if the data quality is good, and result will be nice and perfect if we have the perfect data and cleaning the data. There are some key challenges in AI product management: ethical consideration, technical complexity, scalability. So AI system can perpetuate bias, innovates, and privacy are understanding the harms of building responsibility. What is the building fairness audit होना चाहिए, transparency, involved decision making, human oversight mechanism, clear ethical guidelines. These are the ethical considerations that very important, and these are very challenging in the AI product management. Then technical should know manage AI products, how to manage them, and deep understanding of models, computation constraints क्या है, what are the computation constraints, model drift and refinement needs, integration with the legacy systems. So how to do a new system with the old system, and these are handshakes between the integrations. These are technical changes and complexity. Scalability, how to scale the business, what is the infrastructure needs, real-time interfaces need, cost optimization and scale them. Then continuously performing, performance monitoring. These are the key challenges in the product management cycles. These must be considered during the product management. What are the best practices of product success? The best practice is always start with the problems, not with the technology. A also solve the problems. Where you feel see the problems, solve it. Make a workflow and see the user cases and make a prototype and then ship it, develop it, launch MVPs quickly, gather feedback, improve continuously. A product mature through real world learning. Plan for model maintenance. A product requires ongoing monitoring and retraining. Budget, time, and resources for long term model health. This is very important, critical. Build cross functional trust. So, trust is very important. Your team members are important. Your scientists, your designers, your business teams. Create shared understanding of goals and constraints. Everybody aware about the outcomes and the goals. And clear success metrics. Make metrics that technically metrics, accuracy, business metrics, engage and improve and track them properly. To prioritize the task, responsibility, build ethics, fairness in the real world. So these are the best practices that a product success, APM skill sets. These are the skills get required for the APM sets. Technical fluency, business acumen, ethical judgments, communication skills are very, very important. And stakeholder management also is very important for the APM skill sets. So for the journey in a product management, never stop learning, build your network, and lead with purpose. How never learning means? Our learning means rapidly stack current news and techniques, tools, best practices through continuous education. So any product management, continuous education is very, very important because technology is changing day by day. Build your network. Your network is your net worth. So attend the conferences, learn from peers, okay, and connect with the people who are the same, doing the same product management. Lead with purpose. AI is immense potential into improving lives. Use your position to build products that are not only innovative but also ethical and impactful. This is very, very important for the AI product management. So all product management is its intersection of technology and business and society, challenging, constantly evolving. So being a product manager, it's a feature of depends on product leaders who can harness this power responsibility and make better thing and make this world most beautiful using AI product. Thank you for watching.